it is a very good morning.
I'm smiling.
We're
happy.
both smiling because Architects have just released a brand new surprise track. The song's called Animals. It released about half an hour ago, so we're going to jump straight into this one. Good fly into this one, Johnny. Very good one.
I had a crappy day and I just noticed this pop up on my Instagram feed and I was just like, this is what I needed today.
Yeah.
And they're both one of our favourite bands of all time. So.
Yeah. So we're going to jump straight into this video. Before we do,
I'm fangirling.
hit subscribe, give the video a like. I can already tell them to like it, just because it's Architects.
It's Architects.
Alright, headphones on.
Let's go.
It's his first time.
You make me check these in now because you told me once I was wearing them backwards.
A 3, a 2, a 1.
Smoking.
Let's get some volume.
I do like volume.
Straight into it.
Heavy.
Ooh, new daddy.
I do my best, but everything seems ominous. Not feeling blessed, quite the opposite.
Oh yeah.
Shouldn't feel so monotonous. It never rains, but it pours. We're just a bunch of fucking animals.
Yes.
That transition from the aggressive vocal to that falsetto.
Oh man, it's
Chef
so
kiss.
good. It's
We
so
love it.
catchy so far. Really like thundering, stomping sort of.
Yeah, I mean,
Don't cry to me, because the fiction that we're living in says I should pull the pin.
Oh man, I'm all about that riff. That's so good.
Should I just pull the pin?
It's very like stadium.
oh, it's anthemic.
It's huge.
Yeah.
Could you just imagine them playing that in a huge outdoor venue if we ever get it back and it just like smashing everyone? Ugh.
Yeah.
Whew.
Should I just pull the pin? I've done my hands, I thought that I could stop the road. The girl gave way, now I've lost the plot. Fucked it again, that was all I've got. It never ends, but it pours. Life is just a dream within a.
Oh man, that's so good.
We're just a bunch of fucking animals. But we're afraid of the outcome.
God, that chorus is so freaking catchy, man.
They're like,
Yeah, I was just thinking about. I don't know if it's like a synth thing or if it's like a
very cool. Yeah, can't imagine the guys live, but maybe they've like tracked the
like a
vocals
backing
and then
track.
turned it into a synth.
It sounds so cool.
Yeah,
man.
it's rad. Adds extra depth.
Don't cry to me, because the fiction that we're living in says I should pull the pin.
Oh, that was sick.
What? Bit industrial? That's sick.
Yeah, so ominous.
Yeah.
Buried under dirt, a diamond in the mud. Infinity is waiting there, 'cause nobody can burn this cathedral.
That is sick.
Oh, dude.
Dream within a dream within a. We're just a bunch of fucking animals. But we're afraid of the outcome. Don't cry to me, because the fiction that we're living in says I should pull the pin. We're just a bunch of fucking animals.
Little backing guitar in the back.
Afraid of the outcome.
Yes.
Pull the pin.
God, that's so good.
I just pull the pin. Should I just pull the pin? Should I just pull the pin? Cause nobody can buy. Should I just pull the pin?
Well, I just loved all of that.
Oh my god.
That layered vocal at the end was sick too.
Oh god, I love that band so much.
Thing to note for those of you that do not know Architects, there was minimal angry vocals in there. Normally, he has one of like the most visceral screams.
Yeah,
In
very recognizable
Yes.
style. Yeah, let's just state the obvious. There was no screaming.
Yeah, 100%. That was all, but there was still aggression. The riffs, oh, that was
Man, that riff, yeah. This is. I remember once upon a time reading an interview with Corey from Slipknot when they started to sort of shift their sound a bit, and one of the things he wanted to note on it, totally unrelated to Architects, but kind of, and he said they were finding ways to be heavy without being just screaming brutally heavy.
Yeah.
And this song, that riff is so simple but so powerful. The lyrics were super powerful.
Yeah.
Super dark, self-reflective, obviously very socially aware.
You were right when you said there's a touch of that industrial vibe to it too.
Oh, how good was that?
That like almost like a siren. As it got bigger and bigger, like it was so ominous and dark, and like it really added to the depth of the song. Sick little like vocal patterns that we stuck. It was a bit of synth or whatever that was in there. I loved that. That's just like instantly accessible too. And their stuff
100%.
isn't always like that. This is a bit more pop friendly. Like this is obviously, I'd say, a first single off an upcoming album. Fingers crossed.
I hope so. Yeah,
That's the sign of things to come though. I'm into it.
Yeah, I'm excited. They have gone down the sort of more melodic path before, but for some reason they don't play anything off that album anymore, which I personally loved. I think this switch up for them is necessary.
100%. I loved the last album,
Yeah.
but I think that for me, it all got a little bit same. They're super technical. They're super. They're just metal.
Yeah,
I love that's gone down a little bit more of a catchy route. There's still aggression. There's still
aggression.
and you can still see they
huge
haven't
riffs.
heard that. Like you could throw some screams over that easily, but I like they didn't.
And I like the fact that even at the end, through the breakdown, they left it. They left it no vocals. It's just like, you know what? Everybody knows he can, you know, tear his head off screaming, but let's just let the music breathe. Let's just have this big thundering breakdown.
Yeah.
He gets a breather. Everyone gets to go nuts. I can, like I said through it, I can see that just being huge in a stadium.
That's an absolute banger. That will be getting added to Angry Music for Happy People.
That's going on every playlist I have. Acoustic
Stop
songs,
talking about
new
it.
architects.
We're gonna go get that another play. We'll see you guys in the next video. Go with Architect.